Episode 1: Living Room Transformation. If your sofa faces this direction, you're literally pushing money out of your home every single day. And 90% of people are making this exact mistake right now. I'm Sandeep Raut, your Feng Shui expert, and today I'm revealing the 3 shocking living room mistakes that are blocking your wealth energy. Mistakes that nobody talks about, but everyone makes. Welcome back to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut. If you're new here, I share authentic Feng Shui tips to attract wealth and create harmonious living spaces. Make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we're starting an 8-part room transformation series that will completely change your home's energy. Today, we're starting our room-by-room transformation series, and we're beginning with the heart of your home, your living room. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to position every element to attract maximum wealth energy. The wealth corner. Disaster. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see in 90% of homes. The wealth corner disaster. Your wealth corner is located in the southeast area of your living room. To find it, stand at your main entrance facing inside and check the direction of southeast on the compass. Here's the shocking truth. Most people unknowingly place wealth-blocking items in this sacred space. I've seen trash bins, broken electronics, dead plants, and even toiletries stored in wealth corners. This is like putting a giant stop sign on your money flow. The 3 worst items I see in wealth corners are: first, trash bins or garbage cans. You're literally throwing your wealth away. Second, broken or unused electronics. Dead energy blocks money energy. Third, clutter and storage boxes. Stagnant energy cannot flow. Now, here's how to properly activate your wealth corner. Southeast is the wood element energy supported by the water element. Place a healthy green plant like a money tree or jade plant. Green represents growth, and the wood element feeds wealth energy. Add a small water feature or blue decorative bowl. Water represents flowing abundance. Include symbols of prosperity like coins, crystals, or wealth symbols from your culture. Remember, this corner should be clean, well-lit, and energetically alive. Treat it like the VIP section of your home, because that's exactly what it is. The sofa placement catastrophe. Now let's talk about the second mistake. Your sofa placement determines your family's financial stability. In Feng Shui, we call this the command position. Your main seating should face the entrance while having a solid wall behind it. This position gives you subconscious control and confidence, which directly impacts your earning ability. Here are the 3 deadly sofa positions that drain wealth. First, sofa facing away from the entrance or having its back to the entrance. You're turning your back on opportunities. Second, sofa floating in the middle of the room with no wall support. No backing means no financial backing. Third, sofa directly facing the main door. Energy rushes out too quickly, taking your money with it. The correct sofa placement follows these rules. Position your sofa diagonally across from the entrance so you can see who enters while having wall support behind you. Ensure there's a solid wall behind your seating for stability and support. Create a conversation area that encourages face-to-face interaction, which builds relationship wealth. For sofa colors, choose earth tones like beige, brown, or warm grays for stability. Avoid all black sofas, as they absorb positive energy. If you love bold colors, add them through cushions and throws instead. Avoid red sofas in the living room. Red is fire energy that can burn your money luck. The shape matters too. Curved or L-shaped sofas create better energy flow than straight lines. Avoid sofas with sharp corners pointing into the room as they create cutting energy. The TV energy trap. The third mistake is about your TV placement. It can make or break your career success. Your television is a metal element and the most powerful energy device in your living room. It broadcasts information and influences your subconscious mind daily. Wrong placement creates mental chaos and blocks clear thinking needed for financial decisions. Here are the 3 TV placement mistakes that block success. First, TV in the wealth corner. Metal element cuts the wood element, so you're literally chopping your money away. Second, TV directly opposite your main seating with no buffer. Too much direct energy creates mental overwhelm. Third, TV mounted too high on the wall. Looking up constantly creates neck strain and subconscious submission. The correct TV placement strategy. Position your TV on the north or northwest wall for career enhancement. Maintain at least 8 feet distance from your main seating for comfortable viewing. Mount at eye level when seated to maintain equality with the information flow. Never place TV in bedrooms or dining areas as it disrupts rest and family bonding. Balance your TV's electronic energy with natural elements. Place plants on either side of your entertainment center. Use wooden furniture instead of metal for TV stands. Add soft lighting around the TV area to reduce harsh electronic glare. Consider the content you watch too. Negative news and violent programs lower your home's energy vibration. Choose uplifting, educational, or inspiring content to raise your space's frequency. Let's recap these 3 game-changing transformations. First, your wealth corner placement determines money flow. Activate your southeast wealth corner with plants and water elements, never trash or electronics. Second, your sofa position controls financial opportunities. Position your sofa in a commanding position with wall support and a clear entrance view. Third, your TV placement affects career success. Move your TV away from the wealth corner to the north or northwest walls. These simple changes can transform your financial energy within 30 days. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes were you making? Comment below and let me know. I read every comment and often create videos based on your questions. Next week, we're diving into episode 2, Kitchen Wealth and Transforming Your Kitchen into a Wealth Generator. I'll reveal the 3 things you must remove from your kitchen for instant wealth attraction. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth-attracting Feng Shui secrets.